Hello everyone, my name is Padmaksh Bhel and I welcome you all on behalf of Zricks team. So the project we are going to review today is TATA Primanti Vertillas, one of the best luxurious villas. Please come with me. So this is the entry gate and we will go to the main entrance. So here is the main entrance carved out of the main marble, Italian marble, and this is the doorbell which has a camera inbuilt so that you can have a photograph of the visitor who is visiting your house. So the size which we are gonna show today is 8,500 square feet made in 390 square yard of area. And here is the main door which has two-way authentication lock, that is passcode and key. And now this is the foyer area. This is a huge living and dining space, and here you can easily dine with approximately 12 to 14 guests. And here is the drawing room which is very huge, and this drawing room exits to a private garden, that is a private lawn. And here is the private pool for the owner. And here is the access for toilet. The living room is connected with a breakfast area. So here is the breakfast area. Here is the countertop and the cabinets. So the breakfast area is connected with the modular kitchen. This is the modular kitchen which has all the cabinets and hob, chimney and sink, dual bowl sink. So you can have a look on the cabinets. Utility balcony is attached with the breakfast area. Which opens out towards the foyer area. Here is an attached washroom which connects with that swimming pool washroom. And here is the second entrance for the living and dining space. So now let's go to staircase way. Please come along with me. So here is the staircase and here is your private elevator from Schneidler. It comes as a part of standard offering. Now we are going towards the first floor. Please come with me. So this is the entrance towards the first floor. Here is the bedroom. So this bedroom is attached with a balcony and attached washroom. So the balcony is here, which gives you the view of main entrance. And here is the attached washroom with the basin, toilet seat and a shower cubicle. So when we are going towards the walkway, here is the washing area which is very huge, parallel to which we have the main entrance lobby. And going further, this is a family lounge area, and all the rooms in this villa will feature wooden flooring except the living dining area which will feature Italian marble. All the fittings which you see are the part of standard offering. For example, the split ACs which are from Toshiba brand. So this is the another bedroom which has an attached washroom and a window which faces the private garden, which gives a beautiful view. And here is the attached washroom. So here is the basin, here is your toilet seat, and here is the shower cubicle. Now we will move towards the second floor of the villa. Please come with me. Now this is the second floor of the villa, which features another bedroom which features same wooden flooring, which is attached with the balcony which has a view of entrance. And this is the attached washroom with basin, toilet and the shower cubicle. This is the another room which is attached with this bedroom, which you can customize as a study area or a storeroom. This is the master bedroom, which has a very wide entrance covered with parallel glasses, from which you can allow fresh air which can ventilate your house, and even fresh sunlight, which will help you provide ambient lighting. And here is a space for huge master bed, and there is the attached balcony. So here is the view of garden, and you can sip your tea with the fresh air. So this room also features a study area, or you can also customize it as a lounge area. Here is the area for walk-in closet attached with a washroom, a grand washroom, which features a bathtub, shower cubicle, toilet with his and her basin. So now we are moving towards the terrace area, which has servant quarters and other rooms. Please come along with me. Now we are at the terrace. So here is your spacious terrace, where you can have a personal barbecue and a bar area, or also you can customize it as a gazebo. Also it is good for making a small garden where your kids can play, and also very good for parties and all with the family. Now we will move towards the servant quarters. Please come along with me. Here are the two servant quarters. Number one is this. So it is a spacious room to accommodate one servant, and we have two such quarters. Other is adjoining this. So here is the other one. And now I will show you the servants washing area. So here is the washing area, and here is the attached washroom. Everything you see is provided as per the standard offering. This is the living room common area for the servants, which is very much spacious. So now we are going towards the basement area, which has two garages, entertainment zone, gym and a veranda. After exiting the staircase, here is the primary garage. You all can view it. The garage is connected with a common underground passage. Also, the garage features an automatic opening shutter. You just need to press a button for that. Adjoining the staircase, there is a small storage space. You can look at that. Now we will move towards the entertainment zone, which is there in the basement. The entertainment zone has a very good ceiling height, as you all can see. So you can convert it into an entertainment zone or a bar or a party place, anything you want as per your need. Now I will take you to the gym area, which is also located in the basement. You all can have a view. Even this has a very good ceiling height. So we are now in the sunken veranda attached with the entertainment zone, and at backside of the area, here is a place for water body, as you all can see, and this also connects us to the secondary garage. Thanks for watching the video, and please do hit the like button, and if you like the video, please share it with your friends and family. Also, please subscribe our channel for more such videos.